scissors. Scissors, scissors, scissors. So first you will cut random circle. It doesn't matter how it will be, if it will be perfect or not. The bigger circle, the bigger snowflake it will be. It just need to be round, round, round. And it doesn't have to be like any perfect circle. As you can see, there's not really any perfection. And now the big, you need to focus, focus, focus. Are you focusing on this circle? So now you will fold it on half. And you will do it once again. You will take the corners together. So you will put them, and again you will just make it smooth. And as you can see, these imperfections are for that we can easily cut them on the line, so we will have in the end perfectly round circle. It won't be perfect though, but it will be much cuter and smoother. Say hi to my cat. He wants to be in the video. Hello. Now you will fold it once again, like that. And now you shouldn't cut it at first. Sorry, that was my mistake. Now you can see there is a little corner. So we will cut it once again, so we have it perfect. Now from both sides it's cute. Make sure it's pretty tight and smooth. Now you will take smaller scissors, and you will just cut small triangles or squares. You can be very creative, or you can do rectangles. And with more details you will do, it will be more detailed snowflake. And pay attention to this corner. This corner, as you can see, if you get something in this, like this, it will make a hole in the middle. So you will have, when you unfold it, you will have a hole in the middle of the snowflake. No, sunflake. Sorry. And you can be really creative with this. Just create ornaments. the sides of the triangle. You will have more detailed inner circle of the snowflake. And now, when we will have the snowflake cut, you can take a thread. I found only black, but white would suit so much better for white and winter decorations. So you will take black thread and cut it. Now you can easily take the thread and put it through the snowflake and easily